With such a huge variety of cameras on the market, choosing the best one for vlogging can seem nearly impossible. Well, in this video, we break down the top 5 best vlogging cameras on the market this year based on price, performance, and what type of cameras they are. So if you're interested in finding out which camera will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 5 on our list is Canon EOS M50, our choice for the best cheap mirrorless vlogging camera. The Canon EOS M50 features dual-pixel CMOS autofocus for extremely fast and accurate autofocus performance. It lets you lock onto your subjects quickly to get the best possible pictures and video when the moment is just right. This camera's 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor gives you an amazing level of clarity and vibrant color representation. The Vari-Angle Touch LCD has a flexible tilt range that is great for recording video at all different angles. You will be able to record 4K video at 24p with this camera in stunning detail that is impressive to say the least. You also have the option of recording full HD 1080p video or even slow motion at 120p. There is also the high-resolution electronic viewfinder, which has a 2.36 million dot design for capturing maximum detail. You can automatically transfer your files to your smartphone or tablet with the Camera Connect app. This allows you to upload your vlogging videos to YouTube and other sites faster than ever. The EF M15 to 45mm design of this camera features a manual focus option, allowing you to get the best performance for every shot. Priced at around $600, it is the best cheap mirrorless vlogging camera on the market. Number 4 on our list is Panasonic Lumix ZS50. The Panasonic Lumix ZS50 gives you enhanced low-light sensitivity for improved overall sharpness even without a flash. There is also a built-in viewfinder that completely eliminates outdoor glare on particularly bright days. This camera's intelligent 60x zoom allows you to get up close on your subjects while retaining a stunning level of detail and clarity. The Leica lens provides you with 30x optical zoom, which also allows for clear and sharp photo taking. We particularly like the high-sensitivity MOS sensor, which allows for incredible picture quality in all different lighting environments. The control ring on the lens allows you to take manual control of the camera's performance, including focus, zoom, and exposure. This will allow you to take the kinds of pictures you want without any frustrating limitations. You can record full HD video for smooth and detailed playback on your PC or TV. All video recordings are stored as either MP4 or AVCHD files. There is also a time-lapse recording feature that allows you to capture long events like sunsets or even flowers blooming with a high degree of detail. Measuring 4.4 by 1.4 by 2.5 inches with a weight of 8.6 ounces, this camera is fairly light and compact. Number 3 on our list is Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II's advanced video capabilities make it ideal for vlogging. It allows you to record full HD 1080p video for clear and detailed playback every single time. You can instantly transfer all of your videos and photos to your mobile device via Wi-Fi or NFC connectivity. This camera's 3-inch LCD screen can tilt up to 180 degrees up and 45 degrees down for the perfect viewing angle at all times. It gives you a nice sharp look at all of the photos and videos you have taken. The 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor allows you to take highly detailed and vibrant photos with minimal effort. It has a wide dynamic range and ultra-fast autofocus system that offers an amazing level of speed and clarity. You also have a manual focus option to choose exactly how you want your photos and videos to look every time. The 4.2x optical zoom lens makes it easy to get up close on your subjects without losing a noticeable amount of detail. You can take up to 265 shots with this camera before needing to recharge it. While it's not the best battery life, it's also not terrible by any means. If you're interested in updated pricing or going more in depth on some features of any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. And if you're interested in staying up to date with the best products on the market, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 2 on our list is GoPro Hero 7 Black, our choice for the best cheap vlogging action camera. The GoPro Hero 7 Black offers hyper-smooth video stabilization to help you capture action scenes with a striking amount of detail. It even has a time warp video feature, which allows you to capture super stabilized time-lapse videos as you move around a scene. You will be able to record incredibly high-resolution 4K 60 video that far surpasses the overall quality of full HD. This lets you capture a much higher degree of detail for better-looking videos that your social media followers will love. The 12-megapixel photos this camera can take appear sharp and vibrant in a variety of lighting environments. This camera also has built-in voice capabilities, so you can start recording video without pressing a single button. You can also stream live video on Facebook, YouTube, and other social media sites. You have the ability to save all streamed videos to your SD card in high resolution. There are a number of situations where this camera's photo timer will come in handy. It allows you to take group photos and selfies on your adventures without any hassle. Measuring 1.8 by 2.4 by 1.3 inches with a weight of just 4.2 ounces, this GoPro camera is incredibly easy to carry around all day long and travel with. Number 1 on our list is Nikon D5600, our choice for the best cheap DSLR vlogging camera. The Nikon D5600 features a large 24.2 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor that makes it capable of taking incredibly high quality photos. You can expect a high level of detail even in low light situations. This camera's X-Speed 4 image processor makes it easy to take great looking photos quickly and without any unnecessary hassle. There is a 3.2-inch 1.037 million dot vari-angle touch display that always lets you get the perfect viewing angle. This makes it much easier to take beautiful photos and shoot professional looking videos. The full HD 1080p video recording capabilities of this camera allow you to shoot at 60 frames per second for very smooth playback. There is also built-in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC connectivity for quickly transferring the photos and videos you take to compatible mobile devices. This will make it much easier for you to upload your videos to social media sites. It also allows you to use your smartphone or tablet as a remote to control your camera. The 39 autofocus points this camera offers help you lock onto your subjects and hold tight for amazingly high quality photos. It works quickly and efficiently, so you don't miss the perfect photo opportunities. There are also a number of in-camera tools that let you take the perfect pictures and videos every single time. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.